Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the Sentry integration. So what is Sentry? Sentry is a powerful error tracking tool that monitors your app and gives you the real-time insights when things go wrong, like production crashes, API errors, or even the slow DB queries. So here you can see that I have two errors that coming around. So here it is logged like request handler, and here you can see the type error diagnostic channel. So let's see, I have one more error that I want to add over here. Let's have a look. So I'm going to just restart this with this. Okay, the server is running. I'm going to go with this, and let's run the error over here to log that internal something error, right? So I hope it will log over here. Let's have a look. So here you can see that manual test error. Here you can see its log over here. Here I can check the manual test error, the node version and everything, the data, localhost, this, that, trace ID. Okay, so what they have error like this, they have added the error like this. So everything, every detailing of the code is written like this. Okay, so you can check like this, right? So what we have to do for this? Okay, so first of all, we have to install the Sentry node. Let me go with this. I have the another thing, I guess. Okay, forget about it. So we have to go with Sentry node that we have to install, then Express. Okay, and this is your DSN. So whenever you create an account, you will get this. Okay, so you can use that one, right? And for disable instrument warnings, you have to disable it for now. And this is sample rate. Okay, so initialization of the Express, then get hello world, and I want to log something, so I'll use this error one to log that one. Okay, if I go just custom error also, so it will log that also. So whatever error will come when you ever you run this project or something went wrong, it will log the errors over there. Okay, here you can see that this API has some errors. So if I go to this one again, so it will log that error also. That is manual error thrown the custom error route, right? So here you can see that it also logs over here where the file number is, everything, app custom route. Okay, so here you can see, right? So this is very useful and very easy to set up. So how? Let's take a look. So Sentry, and first of all we have to go with our, okay, so here we have initialization. Okay, then Express, then this is the functions that you can create, then register the Sentry error handler after the routes. So Sentry setup Express route handler with app. Okay, an optional fallback error handler app dot use internal error ID or something went to go wrong on error, so you can add it. And this is the listening to the port number 3000. So hope this works well for you, and this is paid, I guess, and I'm using the trial 14-day period right now. So do let me know your feedback regarding this new error logging. So hope you like it. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.